Very first step, please make sure to turn off your breaker for any electrical work that you do. We have done this in advance already. Here I have removed two light switches from this gang of two box, as you can see here, and I have exposed their wires. So what I have here is the hot wire. This is the return. Sorry, this is the neutral. Two returns, two loads, and a ground wire. The ground wire is terminated inside of the gang box. The very first step, make sure that the length of the exposed wire is at the appropriate length. So what you can do is, at the back of the power module, we have a notch here, which you can fit the wire in to make sure that it is appropriate length. If it is too long, you can cut it to shorten it. We will be attaching the respective wires to the respective place on the back of the power module. At the very top, we will connect the single hot wire. We will connect the neutral wire, and then we will connect two loads, two returns, and the earth wire. So first, we will connect the hot wire to the back of the power module. Just insert it with force, and it will attach itself. Then we connect the neutral wire. Now we're going to connect the loads. Just push into place. And then we will then connect the return wires, the white wires. And lastly, we will connect the ground wire. Now we will insert the power module and screw it into place. There is a bubble level on the front so that you can align it. They don't need to be tightened very tight, but just enough so it's snug. Now that we have completed installation of the power module, we will then proceed to put the panel or mini on the front. Any exposed wires here or power module will be covered by the housing of the panel or mini.